We can't see where the ball is. Oh, it's a huge three-pointer! The crowd's going absolutely ballistic! It looks like Madagascar have won in the dying seconds with a huge three-pointer. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. What a way to finish this game. Wow. Wow, what a spectacle for the hosting country in front of their home crowd. Good grief, that was a huge three-pointer. I really hope there's a replay on that because we only managed to catch the last part of that shot. Oh my God! This was insane! What an electric game! Look at the crowd! Absolute happy vibes in the arena tonight. Oh my goodness. The final score, Tanzania 58, Madagascar 61. Talk about daggers. My goodness. Huge dagger in the dying seconds from the Malagasy to win this game. Oh my gosh. Wow. There we go. The correct score is up on screen. 58-61. Wow. That has got to be one for the history books for the FIBA Under-18 African Women's Championship. Madagascar now advancing to the semi-final. Look at the excitement! They're pumped! And why not? Huge win in front of your home crowd with that clutch three. I am still blown away by this. Let's take a look at some stats before we call it a night. Number 8 for Tanzania, Mjini, 22 points, 18 rebounds, 5 assists. Number 6, Malel, played all 40 minutes, 15 points, 5 rebounds.